Ekenekwa m nwoke ekene m nwaanyị tata bụ afọ aka ụkwa m nwa onye nke gị nwada gbara ọma ụzọ mmiri akwa m onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala Igbo bụrụkwa dibịa Igbo. Anyị na-agba afa na-agbasi afọ ike, anyị na-alụkwa ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche na-enyere ụmụ Igbo aka ịmara eziokwu gbasara ọdịnala Igbo. Ana m asị ka tata bụ afọ mara anyị mma, ka afọ fụtara anyị ndụ, fụtara anyị udo, ka afọ fụtara anyị dị mma, fụtara anyị ihe akụ akụ na ihe enwe enwe. Wee na-asịkwa na onye ọbụla na-achụ anyị ga-ada, ọ bịara egbu anyị ga-egbu onwe ya n'ọfọ. Ọ sị na nke anyị ama ruo anyị aka ga-ewere anazie mmiri. Onye ọbụla gwọrọ anyị ọgwụ ya anwụ, ma onye anyị gwọrọ ọgwụ n'ọfọ na onye ahụ ga-anwụkwa. Wee na-asị na tata na anyị bịara imetụ aka n'ihe dị mkpa, bụ ihe anyị kwesịrị ịma n'ihe gbasara ọdịnala Igbo, bụ ụzọ ndụ na ụzọ eziokwu. Ihe ahụ m ji maka ya wepụta tata bụ ihe gbasara holy period n'ọdịnala. Holy period, o nwere ihe ndị mmadụ na-asị, this is my holy period, this is the time I live a good life, this is the time I abstain from whatsoever. Onya ka m bịara itinye ọnụ n'ihe gbasara ya and my own take concerning that. What I am trying to say is my take concerning it. Ọ bụrụ na ọ dịka general. Na nghọta nke m ihe gbasara this holy period a na-ekwu okwu ya, mgbe mmadụ kwesịrị iji wee doo onwe ya asọ n'ihe gbasara ọdịnala. O nwere ndị na-abụ hapụta asị na ụbọchị a mụrụ ha ụbọchị Eke, na ụbọchị Eke wụ their holy time, na as long as Eke be concerned that they will not have a affair, they capitalize it on anything that has to do with sex. Ebe ka many people now capitalize their holy period on. Ada ekwukwa other general lifestyle and all that, but then nke a go aside. I say that their holy period alone bụ when they try to abstain from sex. No yanwa bụ the time they keep holy. Ụfọdụ si na nke ha ụbọchị Eke, ụfọdụ si bụ nke ha ụbọchị Orie, because their reason bụ na ụbọchị nke a mụrụ ha, that is their reason. Ụfọdụ asị na nke ha ụbọchị Afọ, their reason bụ na ụbọchị nke a mụrụ ha. Ụfọdụ asị na ụbọchị Nkwọ, because na reason ha bụ na ụbọchị Nkwọ ka a mụrụ ha, and for that reason ha ga-edosa ụbọchị ahụ nsọ. Na nsọ ha ga-edosakwa ya just to abstain from sex. Yes. They don't talk about other bad things that we do on daily basis. They don't align it with that day as well. But then, to the best of my knowledge, I think na ihe wu mmadụ idobe onwe ya nsọ n'ọdịnala Igbo abụrụ keeping a particular day holy, then the rest of the days committing all manner of evil, or jumping from one man to another, jumping from one woman to another. When the guy come to you for spiritual work, you try to lure that person. When a woman comes to you for a spiritual work, you try to lure that woman, irrespective of her marital status. Every other days are for evil, but that day they are observing is just to abstain from sex. They do not know that day itself that they keep holy. To them, it's only sex that they need to abstain from. They think that it is only that day for that their market day of birth that they are supposed to keep holy, and the only thing they will keep holy is just by abstaining from sex that day. They don't think about the way they treat people that day. They don't think about the lies they tell against people that day. They don't think about other manner of evil things they commit on that their holy day. The only thing they consider on that their holy day is just trying to abstain from sex. Then other days, they are free to do all manner of things that they like. I'm just saying this for people that are just trying to develop themselves on this path. Those who are trying to, to build their spirit. Let me tell you, if you like, keep a day holy by just abstaining from sex. Is your business. But from my own knowledge, from what I understand in all these things, every other day should be kept holy. Yes, every other days should be, you should try as much as you can to keep every other day is holy. Please, if you have any question, if you want to ask me question concerning anything that is bothering you on Odinani, but please just type them down. Once I'm done with this topic, I'll go and start attending to questions. So every other days are supposed to be kept holy. And one of the things that ruins people, that brings people down easily on this path is when you jump from one man to another. You sleep with this man today, you sleep with this man tomorrow, you sleep, when you are making yourself a public asset. Anybody can come sleep with you and go. You can come sleep with anybody you like and go as a man. You are contaminating your aura. Be it on a Kede, be it on Orede, be it on Afode, be it on Nkwode. Because to every man or to any woman out there has spirits. There are thousands or tens of spirits following that person, either of good or bad. Some are even mixed. So if you sleep with that kind of person, being it on a Kede, on Orede, on Afode, or on Nkwode, you are just contracting that energy, adding it to yourself. You are just contracting, adding to yourself, to the ones that you have already. One man is not enough for you. One woman is not enough for you. Ndewo Mazi Chibuikem, ekenekwa m gị ihe ọma. One man is not enough for you. One woman is not enough for you. You jump from here on Eke. Okay, you are keeping Eke day holy, but Ori Afo Nkwo, you'll be just running into every skirt that you see. You'll be wearing every trouser that you see. My dear, there is not only here in the keep holy. You are saying on Ekede you are standing from sex, but on the Ekede you lie against people, you maltreat people, and you are saying that day is your holy day. All these things are the things that draw some of us back. When you try to move forward in this journey, these things draws you back, especially the area of sex. Let me tell you, if you are a married woman and you are depriving your husband access to your body because you are observing a K, because one Dibia told you to be observing a K day. Because one Dibia told you to be observing a K day. It is you want to chase yourself out of your marriage. I wish you good luck. The best time to observe is daytime. Like this now, that is the best time. Be it a K or a for Nkwo. You are not supposed to be mounting on any woman as a traditionalist. Just ota now, as the sun is out and very full. You don't need to be mounting on any woman at this very point. This is the time you need to be holy. Because someone in again has so no now. Even if you are a married woman, your husband cannot be this kind of person that when other men are going out, he will be there just to be having sex with you. In the afternoon, your husband should be out in his business place or his office trying to get something for you people to eat, trying to build your family, trying to be able to meet up with his expenses for the family. So there is no way your husband will be there in the afternoon trying to have sex with you in the afternoon. But if you are trying to, to keep a special day holy, I am not going to do this day. Whereas other day you sleep with any person you see, you are only bringing dark forces. You are only contaminating your aura, which is not good. If you are Mgbeke, and so what? You might be Mgbeke and your chi is Mgbafo. Ina so eke, mani hechi gina so wafo. You see, what you are doing to yourself is the more you look, the less you see. And the more you keep on setting rules for yourself, there is a stage you get to when you try to break out from those rules. It will not be easy for you. So many even generally in physical life, you know that when you sleep with multiple men, when you sleep with multiple women, you must have infection. You must. It will be draining your physical energy. Those things will be draining your physical energy. Let me even leave the spiritual aspect. When it's just that you're this kind of person that any man that asks you out, you accept, and you open your leg, warara, he enter you, warara. Just expect bundles of infections on your body. This is how it is spiritually. In our sonso, asigi sonsi nsommo na so iga sonwudu. Asigi sonso, onwere mmụọ m na ya na abono. That spirit, I can't. Enwero m ike. In fact, asigi sonso mmụọ ya sonwu ya. You can't do it. Stop deceiving people. Stop. Indiana crash people's relationship and marriage in the name of keep a day holy, keep all the day holy, keep out for day holy, keep on day holy. You just have to use your brain. In this journey, you have to, when you listen to someone speak to you through social media, ije will listen speak it to yourself. That is the reason ndị Igbo say na agbasialụ okenye afa, ma a na-agbara onye mara ife afa, o jiri aka ya na-agbara onwe afa. It's not just anything that or everything that somebody in the name of Dibia tells you that you take. There are some that they will tell you, you use your common sense and tell yourself the truth about that thing. You don't just believe everything that somebody is telling you. Even as I'm talking to you now, you take what I'm telling you. You digest it. You say reason. If you want to take, you take. If you don't want to take, you move on with your life. Abuna a foolish human being. You don't know that Dibia has been eyeing you, but because you know that you are in marriage, he's telling you to keep a day holy. Something that he cannot keep, he's telling you to keep it. It may see when you start having problem with your husband. When you will discover, you will know that when you will know that this is what this person is trying to do to you, what you're gonna get late. Before you find out that this is what this person is trying to do to you, what you go late. It is either you bear it, or you live with it, or you kill yourself if you want to. The best thing I think that it is paramount in this journey is sticking to one person. That is the best thing. Stick to one person. Of course, there is no adult that will be in by this time in the daytime that person will just be lying down looking for ammo or looking for auto. No adults. No reasonable adult will be on his bed by this time of the day looking for a man or looking for a woman. Stick to one man, stick to one woman. Let it be that it is this person that you are always sharing auras with. As you're sticking to that person, as you are cleaning yourself, clean that person. So that as you are working on yourself, this person will now be bringing the bad ones following him or her before and be joining to your own. Oburu isimo that Ekede is holy. I keep Ekede holy manori. Ila mgbe eke n'ụtụ. Ila mgbe ore n'ehihie. Ila mgbe afọ n'abalị. You see, it's nonsense. To me, it can was what you where is. The important thing is keeping to one person. Odinani work during a one. Even in physical life, apart from spiritual aspect of life, physical life, when you keep to one man or when you keep to one woman, if you get pregnant as a woman, you know that it is this person that you are doing something with that got you pregnant. But when you are sleeping with different men, when you get pregnant, you not even know the person that is responsible for it. When you are sticking to one person, when your body starts changing, maybe you are feeling that you're having any kind of sickness or infection, you know that it's this person that gave it to you. It is not that it may be okay or okoro or kafo. That is it. That is how it is spiritually. It is not about, just like when you say that today now being a Monday or Sunday, because I went to church, or because today is Sunday, because I went to church, I will not have anything to do with a man. I will not have anything to do with a, and on Monday you will carry in the morning, carry in the afternoon, carry in the night. Tuesday you carry. Wednesday you carry. Carrying different people. Don't you think that it is yourself you are deceiving, and it is yourself you are lying to? If you have one person in your life, if you have one man or you have one woman, knock that person every day if you wish to. But the important thing is sticking to one person. O nwere stage ị ga-eruta in spirituality as a dibia or as eze nwanyị. O nwere ọrụ ị ga na-abanye, you must abstain from sex. Even with that person, one person you are dealing with, you must abstain in order to be able to carry the forces that will help you accomplish that work that you want to do. But these are for people who are already, deeply rooted. Not for someone but as for someone who is just starting up life, and somebody will just come and tell you are scared, don't have sex on the eke, and you are married, you are starving your wife or you are starving your husband. Those people bringing church mindset into Odinani, trying to use it to confuse you. I am pitying you. I am pitying you. So what I'm trying to say, stick to one person so that you have a good flow of energy, so that you have a good flow of spirit. Stick to one person. Stop keeping a particular day holy while you mess other days up. Marvel, go. Stop keeping other days one day holy, whereas other days you mess them up. That is what I'm trying to say. Ebe ọ bụ na anyị enwere chance m ebute okwu m na nchịkọta isi. Aka bụkwa m onye nke gị nwada gbara ọma ụzọ mmiri, abụ onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala Igbo, bụrụkwa dibịa Igbo. Ọ bụrụ na tata bụ izie gị sonyere anyị, na masị gị nnọọ, na-asịkwa gị echefukwa na ibinyere anyị aka ma gbasakwa ozi anyị ka o nwee ike lụkwa ndị enyi gị na ụmụnne gị. Ọ bụkwa na anyị na gị na-esonye bụ ha, na masị gị jisie ike, ndewo ịnwa bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị. Echefukwa na idere m ozi na my WhatsApp nọmba na 07037311663. Ma ọ bụ na o nwere ajụjụ ị chọrọ ịjụ, ma ọ nwere enyemaka ịchọ ka enye elu gị, ma ọ na ịchọ ka agbalụ gị afa ma ọ lụọ ọlụ gị ọrụ mmụọ, ndewo.